Well, here we are. We're back working on the old 57. Well, we're eyeballs deep into wiring, and I absolutely hate wiring, but here we are, wiring. I hate wiring, but we're wiring. So, I got the gauge cluster in, painted the dash. Y'all hadn't seen this yet, but the dash, painted all this stuff up, painted the dash all up, painted the gauge cluster, got the gauge cluster in it. Everything's halfway wired, pretty close to being wired. Today we're gonna take the steering wheel out, finish up the wiring or the mechanism for the blinker. I bought a rebuild kit for the blinker, and hopefully get this steering wheel back on for good. Get the thing for the horn on, and we'll see. Wish me luck. Here we go. And the mosquitoes are in here. Love the mosquitoes. Alright. Let's see here. Not sure how this goes together because most of these parts were missing when we bought the car. So I'm gonna have to guess. But I know these are replaceable. So we'll go ahead and slide these new ones in. Okay. This thing goes on here. We gotta expand the view here on my other phone. We'll look on my other phone. It's really hard to tell off this view. Oh, come on now. That's what we're looking at. Right there. That's what we're doing.